And as we wind up today's ceremony, we're going to be joined by Ms. Condra Ridley, uh, representative of the African American Historic Museum, actress, singer, multi-talented person. And Condra, come on up here. And Chief Condra, forgive me, because she's also chief too. And share some points, but you got to say something here before you leave today.
Well, at Eric's request, I really am thankful for this opportunity to come and be with you. I've really enjoyed listening to all of the different speakers and hearing, the various stories. And I think we're very enriched in America because we have so many important and enriching stories that come from all the various people who have come to inhabit this land. To the chief, I give honor to you and your people, and just I'm moved by your music and the drum. I recognize from my own African cultural background that the drum represents the heartbeat, and I'm really moved and touched by that. But I'm really grateful today to have an opportunity to just come and be a part of what our brother Eric Hackley has called the United Nations of Fort Wayne. We are really, really blessed in this community to now have so many people who have come to inhabit this land, Kikianga. And I hope that, just as when you mentioned that in 1492, Columbus discovered America, well, that's when somebody tells their own story as if the world begins when you're born. How foolish is that? But just to know that the Native Americans, I'm not even sure, we call them by a different name. I'm always dishonored when people refuse to learn how to properly pronounce other people's names. My name is Condra. It's rather unusual, but not so difficult. But I think it's always worth the time and effort to learn how to properly say someone's name, because a name is something that is given as a gift. It's an honor to have a name, and be able to say someone's name correctly, I think, is really important. But Eric asked me to come today to share with you a particular song. I also, today I'm taking part in the Black Expo, and I'm always involved in a lot of cultural and educational things in this community. I have a book that I brought along with me today because I am a student of true history. I like to know the truth because I know the truth is what will set you free. But this is a book called Nobody Gonna Turn Me Around. This is one of the songs you may have heard during the civil rights struggle. They used to sing, ain't gonna let nobody turn me round, turn me round, turn me round, ain't gonna let nobody turn me round, gonna keep on a-walking, keep on a-talking, marching up to freedom land. And so this book, it's stories and songs of the civil rights movement. Now, civil rights is important to me, and human rights are even more important. But there's a poem here that I want to just share with you a little bit of before I sing the song that Eric asked me to prepare for you today. This is Margaret Walker, a very important African-American writer and poet. She wrote this poem called For My People. And I think it's very appropriate for us to reflect on these words, since we know that America is a nation of immigrants. Everybody came here except the Native Americans. I know this is your land, and I'm thankful that we have had an opportunity to be here on this land, especially now, today, especially for people of African descent. Things are probably better for us now than ever before, but we've had a pretty challenging story here in this land of the home of the brave, and they say the land of the free. Well, we haven't always been too free here. But this is what Margaret says. Let a new earth arise. Let another world be born. Let a bloody peace be written in the sky. Let a second generation full of courage issue forth. Let a people loving freedom come to growth. Let a beauty full of healing and a strength of final clenching be the pulsing in our spirits and our blood. Let the martial songs be written. Let the dirges disappear. Let a race of men now rise and take control. So I hope that nation of men, which means women too, rise. Let us all come together in courage and unity and love, because love is the true liberator. So At this time, I want to share with you this song that was written about America. Some of the lyrics, I think, Ray Charles impacted. And so this is America the Beautiful. I'm paying tribute to the great Ray Charles, who sang it beautifully. Oh, beautiful for heroes proved in liberating strife, who more than self their country loved, and mercy more than life. America, America, may God thy gold refine, till all success be nobleness, and every gain divine. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountains, majesties above the fruited plain. America, oh sweet America, oh God done shed his grace on thee. He crowned thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea. Now you can sing with me. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood, from sea to shining sea. Oh Lord, ooh yeah, to shining sea. America the Beautiful.
Thank you. And thank you all for coming out. And that concludes our show for today. Good night, and God bless you.